Hey guys, I'm finally recording this long-awaited video. Yeah, actually this video 2 weeks old because I couldn't take up editing it right away, so I hope you will understand and don't judge me please for my English. By the way, this vlog will be only in English, so I hope you will enjoy this video, and also I will add some subtitles so you can understand all of my words that I'm saying right now. And yeah, let's get started. It's so curly. Okay, now it's not just Aria, it's fluffy Aria. So today I'm going to pass my English Olympiad. That's why I'm recording this video vlog. Next week would be really productive. So let's spend this week together. And that's how I'm practicing my English. I'm so fed up with this. So this is my today's outfit, blue outfit, my lovely hoodie from Kazakh Republic, and blue jeans, and also a shopper from Kazakh Republic too, and my favorite phone case, blue color, yeah, blue mood. I'm really anxious, really worrying. What if I will not pass and just waste my time? I don't know what to do. I hope I will at least receive third place. There's literally -11 Celsius degrees outside and really cold. My cheeks are so red.
How are you feeling, guys?
Wait for me.
Yeah! Последнее. Up Intermediate Advanced. Третье место и 30 получает 6 бесплатных занятий. Актобе, пожаловать.
This is my sad face. I didn't get even third place. That means I need to practice more. I'm cleaning the snow and we are doing barbecue in the garden with my dad. So we will eat some barbecue, shashlik. Look what I just found, oh my god. That's pretty cool. I broke it. Okay, I discovered a new thing in English. This is Harry Potter's stick. This is Isles. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. The fun is your ride with all the sleigh. Jingle bells. Smells really tasty. Now we just finished making some pies and I'm baking them right now. There is literally 3 parts. This is first part, this is second part, and third part on the table. You don't know how much homework I have. This crazy biology gonna kill me. Yeah, there is 4 paragraphs that I need to read and also write down some writing tasks. I'm really exhausted. I haven't even started yet, so let's do it. These are all my books for tomorrow's schedule. There will be all hard subjects like biology, Russian, algebra, Kazakh history, chemistry. This is physics copybook, Kazakh literature. I look like a witch with this hair, oh my god. Also, I laundered my pencil case and my backpack. So they are so clean. I need to do something with my hair. I don't know. Maybe I need to glow up. So I'm starting my vlog. This is our girls. Yes. No, but this is vlog is special because it's in English.
No, I'm not beautiful.
Not beautiful.
We left our school. Let's do it.
Yeah.
No camera, no camera.
No comments, no comments. Ah, no camera, no
Да.
camera.
Меня вокруг.
Black jacket.
Они меня отправили.
No vlog, no vlog.
Запрет на влоги, тем более на алтын.
Неге на алтын.
Алтын сейчас взял, наверное?
Давай, постарайся.
Because I'm... Короче, я проблематична.
I'm problematic деші.
Yes. Аминаның влогтарын вообще көрмейтін боласыңдар.
Прикол. Давай,
Короче, коридорда кетіп барам. Влог түсіріп жатам алтын телефонына. Just Ария деген каналға түсіп. Короче, түсіріп келе жатам. Мен там же не шумная была, да?
не знаю, да, не шумная.
Бір кезде алдымнан директор атып шығады. И, короче, телефонды көреді, что я снимаю. Все, алып кетті телефонды приемныйға тастады. Сосын тастадым. Апай, мен телефонды ауыстырып алайыншы, апай деп. Жалынып келе жатырмын да. И бір кезде саған қараймын, сен вообще бүйтіп тұрсың.
А я вообще не волновалась.
Вообще күліп тұрқылдап отырмын. Мен да, әдетім, мен жедім ол. Как я сейчас спрошу, как я спрошу.
О, боже.
Смешная история получилась.
Да, все, запомню на всю жизнь.
Дорама. Не надо еще вот так вкусно добавить.
Дорама queen.
Которое слово
Дорама емес драма queen болады.
It's -5 Celsius degrees outside. Today is my mother's birthday and my dad bought some flowers between work and...
Говоришь.
Yes. Shut up, please. You know, I realized one thing. If you will talk to a child in English, then they will understand what you are talking about over the time as she's understanding me. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we are driving home. See you there. We are in a math class. This is our староста на английском. Как будет? Староста. This hole is really dangerous. In English. In English. I'm not speaking English. You speak in English though. Let's go. Let's go. Hi. We are passing summative assessment for the unit. Hey, do it content. Wow. This is our class uniform. This is Stars uniform. This is Kazakh Republic. Kazakh Republic. We have 3 classes today and then we will go home. Oh, mama. We had today 4 classes. It's still snowy. It is end of the February, but there is still snow. I came here to meet my girls. We will eat something and go to the cinema, watch some movies.
Теңеп едім өзіңе көздерімнің қарасы болмас екен қадірлім сезіміме таласың емдейтін земдеп жүрсем жүрегімнің жарасын аягөз қайда барасың.
Now it's really night. I am sitting here in the mall, in a noisy place with my online classes and it's really bad. Kazakh Republic. didn't have time to go somewhere and study, so I stayed here in the Korean City Mall. So now I'm going home. Teacher, can we just say some facts about this person? We have a history now. History. All our lessons are really boring and tedious. Наш класс очень скучный, даже кабинет очень скучный, просто белая стена. Мы в белой коробке. We study in white box. This is Arnur, моделограф. Really cold. Oh, really bad weather. Очень холодно. Today I did a really good job. At first I didn't go to school as my all classmates. You know, yesterday's weather, it was really windy, really cold, snowy, freezing, and just I decided to not to go. And also today I had my online classes and I wrote a lot of things. I practiced my writing task 1. In addition, we will have tomorrow fair in my extra courses. So I am making some donuts. Let me show you. This is our final result. Как проходит? Отлично. Я алған заттарын қараңыз. Crowd of people. New products in our table. This secret Dada juice. Ой, тропик только. Тропик, да? Алмайды ешкім алмайды. Что, волна? Wow, now look at this. This perfect waffles with bananas and chocolate. 200'ден сат. Или 250. 250. Это вафли. Вафли. This is biology chemistry students. А? Термотор почему? ID. Ой, ID деп жазылу керек. Надо убрать вообще. Сен химияны оқи бер екен.
Сен дәптерден бүйтіп аккуратно, мен көп шығады. Мен де не жазған, қайтып жаңа дәптерімді қарасаң, ол да болып жатыр. Ацетоныч.
Дай вам Бог здоровья.
Стеарин.
God bless you. Ұқсайсыңдар.